If I look kind of shiny, it's because it's the middle of summer and my aircon broke. Because it is summer, the Australian school year has started. I have now been a university student for 2 whole weeks. I've been really loving university so far. I'm very lucky that I get to go to such a beautiful campus full of so many birds. I have spent hours already hanging out with our local flock of corellas. They're very playful birds. I saw so many rolling over and squabbling and starting the most epic of battles with their buddies. For anyone wondering, I'm doing a Bachelor of Advanced Humanities with honours, majoring in English literature and philosophy. And I've been loving it so far. The content has been really interesting. This is my university bag. I absolutely love it. It is the most beautiful shade of brown, and I have thoroughly enjoyed getting to use it every day. I think it might be about to storm. This lighting is kind of making it look like Opal's lurking in the dark behind me. It has just started raining, so now both the lighting and audio get to be terrible. But I am regardless going to finally show what's in my bag. I always love watching other people's what's in my bag, so I thought I would do one. The main compartment is very big and very spacious, which I love. The first thing in here is my little pouch that has my journals in it. Inside of this is my Moleskine diary, traveler's journal, and a couple of little pens to write with. This pouch does go with me absolutely everywhere. Here are my pencil cases. These are also Moomin themed, and each of them has a little my-shaped zip. This one is pens, this one is highlighters, and this is my glasses and sticky notes. In these little pockets at the front, I have my handy cam, and I have my fountain pen. Even if I don't always have the chance to use my pens and camera, I love having them with me, just in case. This first pocket I use to put any books I'm reading. Currently that's Giovanni's Room by James Baldwin. And then in this back pocket, I keep all of my school stuff. That is my laptop, any textbooks I might need, and most excitingly, my Paper Republic. In here I have 4 of these Muji lined exercise books and any printouts from class. This Paper Republic is possibly the greatest investment I've ever made, and I got it just before they discontinued those 30% off coupons, so I am beyond happy. The best part about this A4 Paper Republic is that they so generously shipped it with a cat bed. So yes, that's what's in my everyday university bag. Even if it has left me incredibly busy, I am really enjoying university. I am actually going to a writer's workshop thing this evening, which is very exciting. I've already met some really interesting people through it. And otherwise, I've got some journaling I'd really like to catch up on, so I'll probably do that the rest of the afternoon.